Hi everyone, this is our maths class. In last class we discussed about exponents and powers, isn't it not? Exponents means repeated, another form of repeated multiplication, isn't it not? Exponents have base and power. Base means number which is multiplied repeatedly, and power means number of times multiplied, isn't it not? First, let us do this example, children. Express the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Okay. Using prime numbers, we have to factorize this number. Okay. Here, first question 648. Okay. So here, this number can be represented as the product of prime factors. If the prime factors occurs more than once, we have to represent in exponential form. Okay, so here we have to factorize first 648 using only prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. is not. So here 648 is an even number, is not. So we can factorize by even prime number 2, is not. So first we can give 2. See, 648 we are going to divide by 2. See, first we can take 6. 6 in 6, how many 2's are there? 2, 3's are 6, is not. Next in 4, how many 2's are there? Yes, 2 2's are 4, is not. Next 8. In 8, how many 2's? Yes, 4 2's are 8, is not. Next, again 324 is an even number. So we have to factorize this 324 by even prime number 2. Okay. First in 3, how many 2's are there? Only 1, is not. 1, 2 is 2. Here we have 3. 3 minus 2, 1, is not. That 1 and 2 becomes 12. So 12. 6 2's are 12, is not. 6 2's are 12. No reminder. Next 4. 2 2's are 4. Okay. Then 162. 162 is an even number. So we can give even prime number 2. Okay. 1 we can't divide by 2. So we can take 16 together. Okay. In 16, 8 2's are 16, is not. So 8 2's are 16. No reminder. Then 2. 1 2 is 2. Okay. Now 81. Here now 81 is not an even number, is not. It's an odd number. So we can't divide by 2. We can give the odd prime number 3, is not. So here this 81 is divisible by 3 or not. We can check. Just take the sum of the digit. That means 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? It's a 9, is not. So that 9 is divisible by 3. So we can divide this 81 by 3. Okay. 3 2's are 6. 3 2's are 6. Here we have 8. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay. That 2 and this 1 becomes 21. 7 3's are 21. Okay. Now 27 is an odd number. So we can't divide by 2. We can divisible by, it's a divisible by 3. Okay, 3 9's are 27. Okay, so again 9 is an even number, so we can divide by 3. Okay, 3 3's are 9. So again we can divide by 3. 1 3 is 3. Okay, here we got the quotient as 1, so here we can stop. So find the product of these factors. That's the prime factors of 648. Okay, this can be written as, okay, here we have factors, 2 different prime numbers. Okay, here 2 is a prime factor and 3 also a prime factor. The question is express the following, the 648 as product of powers of their prime factors. So here we have 2 different factors, 2 and 3. So we can write here 2 how many times repeated? 2 is repeated 3 times, is not. So we can write 2 as the base and the number of times. That means 3 times here repeated. That 3 we can write as exponent. Okay, power. Okay, so 2 and 3 also another prime factor. So we can write 3 is the base. The number 3 is repeated, so that 3 is the base. And how many times this number 3 repeated? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 times repeated, isn't it? So that repeated number we can write as exponent. Okay, so here our answer is 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, that means 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. Okay, that's the answer. Look at the next example, 1000. Okay, here 1000 we have to express in factors using prime numbers. Okay, factorize this 1000 using prime numbers. So 1000 is an even number. Okay, so we can divide by even prime number 2. Okay, here we can't divide 1 by 2, so we have to take two numbers together, 10. Okay, how many 2's are there in 10? Yes, so 5 times. Okay, 5 2's are 10. Okay, here we have 2 zeros, so we can't divide by 2, so we can give that 2 zeros in the quotient part. Okay, then now 500 is an even number, so we can divide by even prime number 2. Okay, so in 5, 2 2's are 4, is not 5 minus 4 1, 1 and 0 becomes 10. So 5 2's are 10. 0 we can't divide by 2, so we can give that 0 as it is. Okay, now 250. Again we can divide by 2 because it's an even number. So 1 2 is 2. Okay, no reminder. Then 5. So 2 2's are 4. So 5 minus 4 1. That 1 and 0 becomes 10. 5 2's are 10. Okay, now 125. 125 is an odd number, so it's now divisible by 2. We can divide by 3 or not, we can check. See, 1 plus 2, 3, is not 3 plus 5, 8. See, 8 is not in third table, is not 8 is not divisible by 3. So we can't divide this number by 3. So we can give the next prime number, which is the next prime number 5. Okay, so here 5, 1's place 5 or 0 means it's divisible by 5, isn't it? So here 1's place 5 is there, so sure this number is divisible by 5. So 5 means first we can take two digits together, 12. 5 2's are 10, isn't it? 5 2's are 10. 12 minus 10, 2. That 2 and this 5 becomes 25. 5 5's are 25. Okay, again in 1's place 5 is there, so we can divide by 5. 5 5's are 25. Okay, again we can divide by 5. 1 5 is 5. So here we can stop. So we have to take the product of these factors, then write in exponential form. Okay, so the prime factors of 1000 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, here the prime numbers are 2 and 5. So 2 how many times repeated? Yes, 3 times repeated, is not. The next prime number 5 repeated, 5 also repeated 3 times, is not. So here we have two factors. Okay, 2 and 5. So here that and the number repeated is the base. Okay, what's the base? The number which is multiplied repeatedly, isn't it? That number is the base. Then how many times that number repeated? Okay, number of times repeated, that's the power. Okay, exponent. So here 3 times repeated, so 3 is the exponent. Next we have one more. Yes, prime factor, that is 5. So that is the base. Then how many times this 5 repeated? Yes, 3 times repeated. So we have to write, yes, that number of times repeated, no, that number as exponent. Okay, power. So the answer is 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. Look at the next example, children. Example 4 from page number 73. Okay, simplify. First question, 2 power 2 into 10 power 3. Okay, we have to simplify this. Children, question is in exponential form, isn't it? We have to simplify this. Okay, so we can write this as here 2 power 2 into 10 power 3. Okay, here 2 power 2 means first one base is 2 and exponent is 2. Isn't it? Here base 2 means yes, the number which is multiplied repeatedly. This number, this base number only multiplied repeatedly. So how number of times, how many times repeated, that's the power. Okay, so power means number of times multiplied. So here base means which number? First 2. Okay, 2 is a repeated number. So how many times repeated? Yes, 2 times repeated. So we can write this as 2 power 2 means multiply to 2 times. Okay, then into here base is 10. So 10 only we are going to multiply. Number of times, how many times? 3 times. Okay, so here multiplied 10 3 times. Okay, multiply 10 3 times. Understood? Here 2 is the base, 10 is the base. So that number only we are going to multiply. How many times? Power is the time. Okay, number of times multiplied. That means exponent. Here 2. So 2 times. Here 3. So 10 multiply 3 times. Okay. Now multiply these 2 first. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then 10 into 10 into 10. That means yes, 1000. 10 tens are 100. 100 into 10, 1000. Okay, multiply by, now multiply 4 and 1000. Okay, 4 and 1000 means just multiply the number. Then add how many zeros we have? 3 zeros. At the end of the number we can give 3 zeros. Okay, so 4 into 1000, 4000. Okay, that's the answer. Look at the next question. 5 power 3 into 3 power 3. Okay, here the base numbers are 5 and 3. Okay, so we are going to multiply 5. That is the base. Then number of times, that's the exponent. Number of times multiplied 3 times, isn't it? So here base 3. So the base means the number which is multiplied repeatedly, isn't it? Then power means number of times multiplied. So here we can write 5 power 3 into 3 power 3 means yes, multiply 5 3 times. Okay, multiply 5 3 times. Then here multiply 3 times. Okay, multiply 3 times. Okay, now we can multiply 5. See, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, isn't it? 25 5s are 125. Okay, next 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, then we have to multiply 125 into 27. Okay, first we can give 7th table. Okay, 7 5s are is 35, remainder 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17, remainder 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 1, 8, isn't it? Next, to multiply by 2. Okay, 2 is in tens place, so we have to start from tens place. 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 1 2 is 2. Okay, now so also step 3. Yes, we have to add, isn't it? 5, 7, 8 plus 5, yes, 13, remainder 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so 3375. So 125 into 27 equal to 3375. Okay, that's the answer. Look at the next example, children. Example 5. Evaluate. First question, minus 1 the whole power 5. Okay, minus 1 raised to the power 5. Okay, So here base is minus 1 and exponent is 5. Okay. So here which number we have to multiply? Repeatedly minus 1. Okay. How many number of times repeated is 5. Okay. Now 5 times we have to repeat this minus 1. Okay. Okay. So we can write as, so minus 1 the whole power 5 means minus 1 we have to multiply repeatedly. So how many times we have to multiply? 5 times. That's the power. Okay, exponent. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Okay. So we can multiply this. See my 1. How many times we multiplied with 1? We will get 1. Isn't it? So here 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 means we will get 1. Okay. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. See sign also we have negative sign. Okay. So first we can multiply minus into minus plus, isn't it? Plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. Okay. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, so the sign is negative sign, minus sign. Okay, so we got the answer minus 1. Okay, look at the next example, minus 1 power 8. Okay, so here base is minus 1, exponent is 8. Okay, so multiply minus 1. How many times? 8 times we have to multiply minus 1. Okay, so we can write as, so we can write minus 1 power 8 means multiply minus 1 8 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we multiply minus 1. Okay, so how many times we multiply 1? We will get to 1. Okay, so the answer is 1, but we have to give the sign also. Okay, we can check that is positive sign or negative sign. See minus into minus, plus. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Okay, minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, so the sign is plus. Okay, positive sign. Okay, so the answer is plus 1. Okay. Now see next example, minus 2 whole power 3 into minus 3 whole power 2. Okay. So here first base is minus 2, exponent is 3. Okay, here base is minus 3, exponent is 2. Okay, so here we have to multiply minus 2 how many times? 3 times, isn't it? Then minus 3 how many times? 2 times. Okay, so we can write this as, so first minus 2 whole power 3 means if by base is minus 2, exponent is 3. Okay, so minus 2 we have to multiply 3 times. Okay, next minus 3 whole power 2, that means base is minus 3, exponent is 2. That means minus 3 we have to multiply 2 times. Okay, so now we have first we can multiply this 2. Okay, minus 2. See 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, then sign, what's the sign? Minus into minus, plus. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Okay, so minus 2 whole power 3 means minus 8. Okay, next into minus 3 into minus 3. First we can multiply the numbers 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so minus into minus, plus. Okay, minus into minus, plus. So here plus sign. So no need to write that plus sign. So here the numbers minus 8 into 9. Okay, minus 8 into 9. So here plus sign. Okay, plus means no need to mention. Anyway, we can write. See minus 8 into plus 9. So first we can write multiply numbers. Okay, 8 and 9. 8 9s are 72. Okay, then see the signs minus plus. Okay, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. Okay, so minus 72 is the answer. Look at the next example, minus 5 the whole power 4. Okay, minus 5 the whole power 4. That means base is minus 5, exponent is 4. Okay, so here the number which is multiplied repeatedly is minus 5. And the number of times multiplied the number is 4. Okay, so here exponent is 4. So minus 5 the whole power 4 we can write as minus 5 we have to repeat how many times? 4 times. Okay, so minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, multiply minus 5 4 times. Okay children, see 5 into first we can multiply the numbers. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus. Okay, next again 5 5s are 25. Minus into minus plus. Okay, now 25 into 25. 25 25s are 625. So here plus, both are in positive sign. So plus into plus, plus only. Okay, so minus 5 the whole power 4 is 625. Children, we have some results. If a is a positive integer, then minus a power odd number. Okay, base minus a power odd number comes minus of a power that given odd number. Okay, or minus a power even number means a power even number. Okay, the minus won't come. Okay, so from the above results we can verify this result. Okay, we have here from this example, see minus 2 whole power 3. That means here base minus 2 power odd number is there, isn't it? That means minus 2 whole power 3 means we got minus 8, isn't it? So minus that number, that means 2 power 3. Okay, 2 power 3 means 8. In answer we will get minus. Okay, minus of that, yes, that number power the given power. Okay, so here minus a power even number means a power even number. From this example we can verify that minus 5 whole power 4. 4 is an even number, isn't it? So we will get a positive number. That means plus 625. That means plus that 5 power 4. Okay, here won't get minus, here plus. Okay, so minus a whole power even number means here we won't get minus a power that even number. But minus a power odd number means minus of that a power that odd number. Okay, so see the next one, minus 1 power odd number means minus 1. Minus 1 power even number means plus 1. Okay, from the above examples we can verify this. Here minus 1 whole power 5. 5 means odd number, isn't it? So we got minus 1. Then minus 1 power even number means we got plus 1, isn't it? We got plus 1. Listen children, look at the next example. Evaluate 4 by 5. Okay, rational number 4 by 5 whole power 2. Here yes, 4 has power 2 and 5 also has power 2. Okay, whole power 2. Okay, base is here 4 by 5 and the exponent is 2. So what's the answer here? We have to multiply. Okay, here numerator separately, denominator separately. Okay, how many times? Numerator 2 times, denominator also multiply 2 times. Okay children, yes. So here 4 by 5 whole power 2. Okay, that means yes, base is 4 by 5. Here is a rational number is numerator has power 2 and the denominator also has power 2. Okay, so numerator is a 4, it's 4 multiplied 2 times and the denominator 5 also multiplied 2 times. Okay, so what's the answer? 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 4 4s are 16, that is in numerator part. Okay, then in denominator, yes, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay children, that's the answer. So look at the next example, minus 3 by 7 whole power 3. Okay, so here numerator has minus 3, denominator in denominator 7 is there, is it not? So here whole power 3, that means numerator has power 3 and denominator has also power 3. Okay, so numerator this minus 3 multiply 3 times and the denominator 7 also multiply 3 times. Okay, so here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that is in numerator part. In denominator part 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, 3 times multiply. So here numerator say first multiply the numbers 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 3s are 27. Okay, then sign minus into minus plus. Okay, plus into minus minus. Okay, now denominator 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. Okay, 49 7s are 49 7s are how much? 49 into 7. Yes, 6 9s are 7 9s are 63. Okay, 63. Then 60 is the carryover number. Next 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 34. Okay, so 343. That is in denominator part. Okay, so minus 3 by 7 whole power 3 means minus 27 by 343. Okay. Children, look at the next example. Example 7. Express the following rational numbers in exponential form. Okay. See the first one, 49 in by 81. Okay. It's a rational number. 49 is in numerator. 81 is in denominator. Okay. So here 49 by 81, that means the numerator 49, denominator 81. Okay, so we have to factorize here. Okay, factorize. Yes, first 49 first and 81 denominator next factorize. Okay, so 49 we can write as 7 7s are 49. Is it not? 7 7s are 49. Okay, then we can factorize 81. Okay, children, 81. So 81 is an odd number, so we can divide by 3. Is it 81 divisible by 3? See, 8 plus 1 9, is it not? Sum of the digit is 9, so we can divide by 3, is it not? 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. So remainder 2 and this 1 becomes 21. So 7 3s are 21. Okay, again it's an odd number, so divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, is it not? So again 9 is an odd number, divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, is it not? 3 3s are 9. Again it is divisible by 3. 1 3 is 3, is it not? So 81 we can write as the product of factors 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Denominator part 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, we have to write this in exponential form. So here base in numerator base is 7. Okay, base is 7. Is number of times repeated. How many times repeated? 7. 2 times repeated, is it not? So we can write the power as 2. Okay, here the number repeated number is 3. So that is the base. Okay, then number of times repeated is 4, is it not? 1 2 3 4 times 3 repeated. So we can write number of times repeated is taken as exponent. Okay, so 3 power 4. Okay, that is the exponential form of 49 by 81. Look at the next example, children. 16 by 25. Okay, 16 is the numerator, 25 is the denominator. We can write this 16 as 4 4s are 16. Is not 4 4s are 16. Then 25 means we can write as 5 5s are 25. Is not? So here 4 multiply 2 times and 5 multiply 2 times. Is not? So we can write this as 4 is the base, number of times repeated 2, so 2 is the exponent, is not? Here also 5 is the base, 5 multiplied 2 times, so we can write the exponent as 2. Okay children, here numerator 4 power 2 and denominator 5 power 2. Okay, here both the numerator and denominator has same power 2, is not? So we can write this as 4 by 5. Okay, 4 by 5 whole power 2. Okay, because 4 and 5 has same exponent. Okay, so we can write this as 4 by 5 whole power 2. Okay children. Children, we have homework. Okay, book page number 73. Try this second one, first and second questions. Okay, sums. Then next page 74, exercise 5a, fifth question. Okay, from fifth question, simplify A and D. Okay children, can you do this as homework? Okay, children, thank you.